A dangerous, severe weather outbreak is unfolding right now across the United States, and this could turn into a very serious situation later today, with the potential for strong tornadoes, giant hail, and damaging winds. This is not a minor setup. The atmosphere is primed, and conditions are coming together for what could become one of the more significant severe weather days we've seen so far this season. We are tracking a powerful storm system moving through the central United States, pulling in warm, humid air from the south while stronger winds build overhead. That combination is creating a highly unstable environment, especially across the Midwest and parts of the southern plains. This is the kind of setup that can support rotating supercells, storms capable of producing tornadoes and very large hail. This morning, storms are already moving through parts of Indiana and Ohio, but those will clear out as we head into the afternoon. The main severe weather threat begins to ramp up between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. across Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. By late afternoon into the evening, roughly 4 p.m. through 8 p.m., storms will rapidly intensify. This is when we expect the highest risk for tornadoes and very large hail. As we move into the evening and overnight hours, storms will push east toward Michigan and continue across parts of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Some of these storms could remain active late into the night, creating a nocturnal severe weather threat. The highest concern today is centered across Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Cities like Des Moines, Chicago, and Milwaukee are in a zone where strong tornadoes are possible later today. This is where the atmosphere is most favorable for intense storms, with high instability and strong wind shear. Further south, from Texas through Oklahoma into Kansas and Missouri, storms are expected to develop along a dry line. These storms may be more isolated, but any storm that forms could become severe very quickly. We're also watching areas like Detroit, Indianapolis, and Springfield for a lower but still notable tornado risk. Even parts of the Northeast could see isolated severe storms later today. Wind gusts with these storms could reach 50 to 70 miles per hour, strong enough to knock down tree limbs and power lines. Hail is expected to be a major issue. Some storms could produce hail as large as apples, capable of damaging vehicles and property. The tornado threat is elevated, especially in the Midwest. With this level of instability and wind shear, a few strong tornadoes are possible if storms remain isolated. This setup can lead to rapidly changing conditions. Storms may develop quickly, giving little time to react. Roads could become slick during heavy rainfall, and visibility may drop suddenly during stronger storms. Large hail could cause damage within minutes, especially to cars left outside. Strong winds may lead to scattered power outages. The evening timing is especially concerning, as storms could impact travel and the evening commute. And overnight, storms continuing into the night could catch people off guard while they are asleep. The severe weather threat does not end today. Wednesday brings another round of storms across many of the same areas, though the overall intensity may be slightly lower. Damaging winds and hail remain the primary concerns, with a continued risk of isolated tornadoes. By Thursday, the threat decreases somewhat, but storms may still develop in parts of Texas and the Ohio Valley. Then, heading into Friday, another more organized severe weather setup is expected to develop. This could once again bring damaging winds, hail, and possibly tornadoes across parts of the Midwest and southern plains. This is an active and dangerous stretch of weather, and today is a day to stay especially alert. If you live anywhere from Texas through the Midwest and into the Great Lakes, make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings. Stay aware of changing conditions, especially late this afternoon and evening when storms are expected to intensify. We'll continue to track this situation closely as it develops.